If you're in the market for AI software testing, you might have come across Octomind, but does it actually deliver on its promises? Today, we're diving into what makes this platform tick and whether it's worth your time and money. Octomind positions itself as a comprehensive AI software testing platform designed to streamline the testing process for developers and QA teams. At its core, this tool aims to automate various testing phases, from unit tests to integration tests, which can save users a lot of time. Right off the bat, the interface feels modern and user-friendly, which should appeal to both newcomers and experienced testers alike. One standout feature is its robust integration capabilities with popular development environments, allowing teams to embed testing seamlessly into their workflows. However, there's a noticeable lack of detailed documentation on some of the more advanced features, which could leave users scratching their heads. While Octomind seems tailored for tech-savvy teams, I wonder if it might leave less experienced users feeling a bit overwhelmed. Overall, the platform has potential, but there are parts that could definitely use more clarity. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Octomind's automation capabilities can significantly speed up the testing process, and its sleek interface is definitely a plus. It also integrates well with existing tools, making it a great fit for teams already using platforms like GitHub or Jira. On the flip side, the documentation is lacking, which could frustrate users trying to leverage its full potential. Additionally, there's limited information on pricing, which raises some eyebrows regarding transparency. If you're a solo developer or a small team, you might find the platform a bit overwhelming, while larger teams might benefit more from its features. So while Octomind has some solid strengths, it also has areas that could deter potential users. In conclusion, Octomind is a strong contender for teams looking to enhance their AI software testing. However, if you're new to testing or part of a smaller team, you might want to explore alternatives that offer clearer guidance. Overall, it feels like a platform worth trying, but with a few caveats.